You ready to see the room?
Yeah.
Is it gonna look nice?
Yeah, let's go.
Whoa, look at this elevator.
Fancy elevator. Chandelier.
Ooh, have you ever seen that?
I like the chandelier.
Chandelier and an elevator. You ready to see the room?
Yeah.
Is it gonna look nice?
Yeah, let's go.
Look at the hallway.
I know.
Hallway's nice.
That's pretty cool with the characters.
Room's gotta be nice, right?
So this is a room tour at Disney's Rivera Resort. It sleeps up to 5 people, and this is a preferred view room that sleeps up to 5. It is a studio deluxe. Gosh, the closet is huge. You can't have a deluxe room without a full-length mirror. This fancy shower is nice. It is a big size shower. And of course it comes with your Disney soaps and shampoos. And by also having a bathtub with a shower option, this saves a ton of time with kids when I'm trying to get them ready to go, tell them both to take showers or baths, so we can get 2 people showering at the same time. This bed is super comfy. No, this is gonna be my bed right here.
This is gonna be your bed?
I'm settled in for the
Fine,
night.
I'll sit right here.
Oh, you're gonna sleep over there?
Huh?
Do we have to leave?
I hate to say it, but yes we do. And we have breakfast reservations with Mickey at this hotel. They have character dining. But so now it's time to pack up and everybody's moving kind of slow because they don't want to go. Do you like this bed over here? So this bed actually folds up into the wall and it is pretty cool. You want to show what it looks like?
Yeah.
You got it. You got it. You got it. Keep going. Whoa.
And couch isn't too bad. That's nice. And then they're having a little table over here too, so that works.
Is this like a secret room? Are you gonna like hide under here? You can just sleep under here.
I just saw Minnie Mouse. She's so pretty. I love her French outfit.
So we're at the pool.
We made it to the pool. We just sat down. You do not have to wear a mask in the pool, because I'm sure a lot of people are wondering what are the rules for the mask. But it looks like all the lifeguards and the staff are wearing masks, and it looks like it's a lot of fun. I want to go down a slide. I hope you like this room tour. I love this resort. It is very nice. It's super quiet for how many people are here. The pools are set up further away, so you don't have a lot of running through the hallways or a lot of noise, I've noticed. So whatever they're using soundproof is working. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you tune in for more. See you soon.